What's going on, guys? So we're going to talk about a couple of stocks in the EV space that I know you guys like to trade. Let's look at some technical analysis. Let's look at some levels, potentially where we can get in, make some money on these two particular stocks. Those stocks that we're going to be taking a look at, first one is going to be Nio. Second one is going to be Tesla. So Nio, fantastic day today, up 1.5 points, around 5.5%. We did close at $31.68. And as you can see, we put in this nice hammer candle here. What I do like on Nio is that we closed over the 5, 10, and 20-day moving average. With that being said, if we're able to confirm today's highs, okay, so if I just draw a trend line here at today's highs, 31.68, 31.83 at the top wick. If tomorrow we can reclaim these levels, it's also going to be taking out this price action here from the 5th of January, as well as the 15th of December. This is going to have some room to run into 32.75. This would be the first initial price target for all day trades. So let's go ahead and see the shakeout in the morning. Let's see, do we get a pullback into the rising 20 or rising 10? And do we get a little bit of a reversal, go red to green? Or do we, if we gap up? So here's a play that I want to show you that you have to be a little bit careful of. If we do gap up into this supply zone, so let's say Nio closed at 31.68 and we gap up close to 32.69, I would hang tight. Just due to the fact that anytime we gap up into supply, normally we can see a little bit of a pullback, and then we would need to find a little bit of stabilization before we start coming back up. And at that point, your pivot entry would be second entry over 32.75. What we're looking for is a flat open tomorrow. We're looking for even a little red open tomorrow. Go red to green through the 31.83, and then we got about a point room there. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla also had a very, very good day today, up $41 on the session, 4% on the day. With that being said, we closed at 11.06, and currently after hours we're trading up just about a point. So if we kind of look at where we stopped today and see the reason why we stopped here, if we look at the date of December 27th, December the 28th, December the 29th, even if we go a little bit farther back to the 2nd of December, and we draw a trend line here at these high wicks, right? Okay. And then we come to today. Oh, where did we hit? Exactly this area. There's a reason why these stocks are going to stop at certain levels, guys. If you're not a technical analysis trader, especially if you're a day trader, especially if you're someone who's putting on swings for a short-term basis, you know, a few days, a week, a couple weeks, you got to know your levels. You got to know your support. What I do like right now, Tesla, same thing, over the 5, 10, and 20-day moving average, all very bullish. We did reclaim the 10-day moving average today. We are over the 50-day moving average at 1069, 1070. So here's what I'd be looking for. Same kind of play as Nio. If we gap up into the next area of supply, that's 1135. I'd kind of hang tight here and see, give it that first 30 minutes of the market open, kind of let it set in its opening range high, and then look for that, you know, first hour candle to close. And then let's look for confirmation of that high price. However, if we open flat or we open a little bit down, or we get any bit of pullback into rising support here, even anything into 1080, 1089, 1090, and then we get a bounce there, that could be your area of opportunity to get long in Tesla for a short trade. You bounce it off that rising support, which would be your 10-day moving average or even your rising 5. And then from there, what we're looking for is to take out today's highs, 1117. 1117 is all 1117, 1120 has been giving us problems with Tesla going all the way back to October. If we look here on the 29th of October, we came up, touched it once, and then really we got above it, you know, just went on a massive rally, 1, 2, 3, 4 days before we came all the way back down to test this rising 20. We came back up again to that 1120, 1118 area, got rejected. We confirmed it. We go on 1, 2 days worth of run. It normally gives a pretty big upside, and then we come crashing back down to the 10 and 20. As soon as we come up here again, it's the same song and dance. That's the point I'm trying to make. Every time we get into this level, it gives us a little bit of problems, but we know, just looking at the history on the chart, that as soon as we clear out this 1120 area, Tesla normally either goes on one big fantastic run or 1, 2, 3 days of upward momentum before it comes crashing back down to the 20 and the 10-day moving average to kind of find some support. That's just kind of been the big wide range that we've been trading in. That big wide range of around $900 to $1,243, which is all-time highs. I know that's kind of a big range, but with those big ranges are great opportunities for good swings and good day trades here. So, if you really take advantage of the technical analysis, you can really start to make, decent money. Guys, if you want more help, you want more information like this, I have a Discord. Feel free to join. I do offer one-on-one coaching. I do offer a daily signals and watch list. Any questions, I try to answer them as best as possible. If you have an intraday question on a particular play that you're in, myself or someone else that's in the room, if we're trading those stocks, we can kind of help you out. Also, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys all on the next video.